Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reattach the back pad on your Steelcase Leap V2 chair. In order to remove the back pad from your Leap chair, you want to start by holding the sides of the back pad, and all you're really going to have to do is pull upwards on the back pad and pull it up away from the frame. Then you can just gently lay it down onto the seat. Then you can turn the chair around, and on the bottom here, it's also going to be attached with a J-channel. From the back of the chair, on the bottom of the back frame, there is going to be a J-channel that the back pad is connected to. So if you just start with one side of the chair and you just kind of push and pull down, it should come loose. And then your back pad should be completely off. To reattach the back pad onto your chair, you're going to want to start with the J-channel. So lay the back pad onto the seat face down. And then turn the chair around and attach it from the back. Now on the bottom of the frame, there is going to be a back lip and then a lip towards the front. And that front lip does have a gap with some notches that the J-channel will connect to. So you're going to take that J-channel and you're going to flip it upwards towards that front lip. Starting at one side of the chair, you're going to take the J-channel and fit it between that front and back lip, and it's going to just clip onto that front lip. Then you're going to just work your way from that side down to the other side until it's fully clamped. Once you do reach the end of clipping the J-channel on, make sure that you go back and kind of push back up onto that J-channel just to make sure that it is fully attached. Once you have the J-channel attached, you're going to see these hooks that run along the back of the frame, and those are going to attach to the back of the backrest pad. Now in order to install this, you're going to grab both sides of the backrest pad and pull it up just higher than those hooks so that the backrest pad can slide down onto those hooks into place. And then the backrest pad should be installed. If you have any other questions on how to remove or reattach the backrest pad on your Leap V2 chair, feel free to contact us. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Thanks for watching.